Hello friends, this is KESHAV and welcome all of you in this coding and decoding session. So in this session we are going to discuss high level of high level of questions which is based on the new pattern. Okay, so in this session, in this question we can see here the two part is given. Okay, one is the what sentence will be given and the second one is what coded part is given. Okay, in the second question, okay, in the second part you can see here the four words are used and each word is coded with the different part. Okay, so each coded element, so this is the coded part or this is the coded element. So each element is the combination of words. You can see here alphabets, number and the symbols. Okay, so each code will be the combination of alphabets, number and symbols. And what will be the logic of each code? So we have discussed. You guys, I will request you, if you haven't seen the last video, please watch that video first, because in that video I have discussed what are the possible logic of the alphabets, numbers and the symbols. Okay, then only you guys able to think or you able to solve or approach, able to learn how to approach these questions. Okay, so if you haven't seen, please watch that video first, then see this video. Okay guys, then only you will be able to understand how I am solving this question. So here we can see that today. Okay, so first our word is what? Today. What will be the code of the today? Okay, so what I will see, I will take the how many alphabets are there. So we can see that 5 number of alphabets are there. Okay, second one is what? Our second word is positive. Okay, positive is the second word. How many alphabets are there? So you can see here the number of alphabets is how many? 8. Okay, so you can see here that 5 8. Okay, the number in the coded part, the number is used. So the logic of number is what? It is based on the logic of number. So I can say the logic of number is what? It will be the number of alphabets. Yes or no? So we got one. So we got one logic, okay, of the number. Okay, now second thing is alphabet. Okay, second thing is alphabet. What is the logic of alphabets has been used to code these words. Okay, so first word is what? Today. Okay, what is the reverse alphabet of T? So if I'll ask you what is the reverse alphabet of T, so you can see here G. Okay, so what is the reverse alphabet of P? You can see here K. Okay, so K is the reverse alphabet of P and reverse alphabet of T is what? G. Okay, so you can see here G is here in the 5 has 5G. Okay, and here also you can see the K. Okay, so we can say that the logic of alphabet or logic of letter, we can somehow say that it is based on what logic? It is based on the reverse alphabet of first letter. Okay, so we can say that the logic based on the letter is what? Reverse alphabet of first letter. Okay, so now the next thing is what? Symbol. So what is the logic of the symbol? Okay, so what will be the logic of the symbol? So let's see here. So the logic of symbol is based on what? So we can see here how many alphabets in the today? 5. So we can say the what is the code of today? What is the code of today? Tell me guys, what is the code of today? Just this one is the code of today. So what is the code of positive? So this one is the code of positive. Yes or no? This one is the code of positive and this one is the code of today. Yes, and this one is the code of what? This one is the code of found. Okay, now so here symbols are here. You can see here in this two things, in this two coded element, the symbol is same. Okay, what is the logic? So if I'll ask you what is the number of alphabets in today? 5. What is the number of alphabets of found? Okay, 5. So we can see here the number of alphabets is 5, number of alphabets is 5 in the found. So the two common thing is what? The number of alphabets, and the symbol is also common. So we can say that the logic behind the symbol is what? The number of alphabets. Logic of symbol is what? Number of alphabet. If the number of alphabets is same, so then the symbol will be the same. Okay, now what is the positive? How many alphabets is there? Positive. 8 alphabets are there. This is the code of positive. Okay, so we can say that if the number of alphabets is 5, so okay, if the number of alphabets is 5, then the symbol will be hash. Yes or no? If the number of alphabets is 8, then the symbol will be what? Asterisk sign. If the number of alphabets is 6, what will be the symbol? What will be the symbol guys? So this one is the descent which having 6 number of alphabets, and this one will be the code of descent. So which symbol have been used? Percentage symbol have been used. Okay, so we got all the logic of what? Number, letter and the symbol. So now we can go to the questions and how to solve the questions. Okay, so the first question is what? So what is the code of picnic time? Okay, what is the code of picnic time? So how many alphabets are there? You can see the number of alphabets is what? 6. Okay, in that time what is the number of alphabets? 4. Fine. So what is the reverse alphabet of P? So K is the reverse alphabet of P. So the element alphabet will be what, or the letter will be what of the coded thing or the coded element? It will be K for the picnic. And what is the reverse alphabet of T? So tell me, G. So this is the reverse alphabet of T. Now what will be the symbol of picnic and what will be the symbol of time? Okay, so picnic, how many alphabets are there? 6 symbols are there. So for the 6 number of alphabets, if the number of alphabet is 6, then the symbol will be what? Percentage. Yes or no? Percentage. And what will be the symbol if the number of alphabet is 4? So just check the word which having 4 number of alphabets. Here you can see pure having the 4 number of alphabets. Okay, and this one will be the code of pure. Why this one will be the code of pure? Why? Because the number of alphabets is what? 4. And this, and it pure also having the number of alphabets. So what is the symbol used? The symbol is what? @ So this one will be the code of picnic time. So check the options, which option is correct. Okay, so our option is 6 percentage 6k @4G. So our option will be what? Option number B. So now when we able to crack all the logic behind the number, letter and the symbol, then the question will be very easy for you guys. Okay, so no and within only the hardest part in this question is what? You have to find out what the logic has been used. Okay, when you find the logic, then the question will be very easy and you can easily score 5 out of 5 guys. Okay, so let's see the next question. Okay, now the next question is what? So what is the code for the word negative word? Okay, so negative word. So how many alphabets are there? Number of alphabets in the negative: 4 plus 4 8. Number of alphabet is 8. In the word, number of alphabet is 5. Okay, now what is the reverse alphabet of N? M. Okay, so M will be the code. And what is the reverse of alphabet of W? D. Okay, how I am telling? Just because I know what is the reverse alphabet of word. How to remember the reverse alphabet of W? Just remember the word due. Okay, so you can see here reverse alphabet of W is what? D, or reverse alphabet of D is what? W. So when you remember, in the last session I have discussed all these things. So just if you haven't watched the video of the last session, please watch the last sessions and you will definitely, that video definitely, I am saying guys, 100% it will help you in the exam also, and in this type of question definitely it will help you. Now what will be the symbol? So how many alphabets is there in the negative? 8. So check the word which having the 8 number of alphabets. This one. Okay, so what is the symbol it is used? Asterisk symbol is used. Okay, now 5. Check the word. So this one having the 5 number of alphabets, so it will be hash. Okay, so this will be our answer. Okay, so check the option. Okay, asterisk 8m hash. So none of the options will be correct, because here don't get confused. Here you can see ampersand sign. Okay, so it will be wrong. Okay, our answer will be what? Our answer will be none of the above. Okay, now come to the next question. Now in the third question, which of the following would represent the code hash 5p? So hash means what? How many alphabets will be there? Okay, hash is representing 5 number of alphabets. Okay, 5 number of alphabets. Now check here which word having 5 number of alphabets. So this one 5 number of alphabets, this one 5 number of alphabets, this one 6 number of alphabets. So this one definitely will not be our answer. This one is also having 6 number of alphabet, and definitely this will also be not our answer. Okay, now 5 represent the number of alphabets. Okay, now P represent the reverse alphabet of the first letter. Okay, so first letter will be what? K. Okay, so the word, whatever the word will be there, the word will start with K. Okay, so we have option A and B is remaining. Okay, so here again this is 5 alphabets and here also 5 alphabets, and in both the option it is starting with the K. So we can't say definitely that this one will be our answer, or we can't say with the 100% surety that crane will be our answer. So what will be our correct option? Option number E. Either it will be kitty or it will be, here it is wrong, either it will be kitty or it will be the crane. Okay, fine. So come to the next question. So our fourth question is what is the code for the word perfect? Okay, what is the code of the, how many alphabets are there? 6 alphabets are there. Okay, so what is the reverse alphabet of P? K. Okay, what will be the symbol of the word having 6 number of alphabets? So come here we can see this is the code for the word having 6 number of alphabet, and the symbol is what? Percentage. Okay, so the symbol will be what? Percentage. So answer will be what? Percentage 6k. Okay, so we don't have options. Okay, so it will be what? None of these. Okay, none of these will be the answer. Okay, fine. So our answer will be none of this. Now come to the fifth question. Okay, fifth questions. Okay, so which of the word represent the word code has 5v? So v, okay, v is there. Okay, so what is the reverse alphabet of v? Tell me guys, what is the reverse alphabet of v? So reverse alphabet of v is what? That is, reverse alphabet of v is what? E. Okay, so the word, whatever the word will be, it will start with e. Okay, it will start with e. Now how many alphabets are there? 5 alphabets will be there. Okay, so check the word, check the options, which word is starting with e and having 5 number of alphabets. So in the option B and C, we can see, option B, we can see how many words are there? 5 words are there. But in option C, how many words, alphabets are there? So how many alphabets are there? 6 alphabets are there. So definitely option number C will not be the answer. Okay, and option D will definitely will not be answer, and option A will also be not our answer. Because why? Because this word is starting with the S, but we will have the options which is starting with E, and how many alphabets will be there? 5 alphabets were there. So definitely our answer will be what? Option number B. So I hope this question is very easy. Guys, I have discussed very easy level questions. I have discussed with you guys. Okay, why? Because you just able to understand what are the possibility, and definitely I will discuss with you high level questions in the next video. Till then, keep practicing it and how to solve this type of questions. Then only you will able to find all the logic. Okay, then only your mind will work. What will be the logic? What will be the logic? Okay. I hope this video will help you in for your exams. If you like this video, please guys subscribe my channel and hit the like button. And if you have any questions guys, please feel free to ask me in the comment section or on my Telegram channel. Definitely I will reply you. I will answer all of your doubt. And till then, I will be back with the high level questions guys. Till then, please keep practicing, stay healthy and stay safe guys.